I want the dress to start being tight, just above the navel or the belly button. So what you're going to do next is to take your stretchy thread and just wind it around the bobbin and put it down here, depending on how your machine works. Make sure the elastic thread is at the bobbin and then this one at the top is the normal thread. So for this project you want your right side of the fabric to be up so that it gets this nice, this normal thread, and then the inside will get the stretchy thread that will make the dress to stretch. Yes, so to make it easier to sew, I am going to cut one side of the dress open and then just start sewing. Let me show you before I start. So this is the dress, and I cut open one side, as you can see. So what I am going to do, I'm going to open it up like this and just shove from one side to the other end, like that, till I reach the bottom. Am I making sense? When you open up that side and put it right side facing up, so I'm just going to sew from one end to another, like that. So this is how the inside looks and this is the outside. Yes, and as you can see it is really short. Let me show you from the ground so that you can see it has even started forming a shape, having like a shape. And this is the places that I've shirred, as you can see. And if I put it down, you can even see the dress now has like shape. Okay, so I'm just going to do that until probably the bottom or halfway. Yeah, then we see how it looks like. Yep. So this is what I have done so far, and I think it's pretty enough. This is where it's open. So this is how the outside looks like. I hope you can see. Then this is how the inside looks like. Yep. So I'm just going to turn it inside out. And I'm going to sew along this seam that I cut, and then I'll be done. And maybe put an elastic around the arm so that it fits better. Then I'll be good to go. So to seal it up, you need to use the normal thread. So I'm just exchanging to my normal thread. Yep. With this inside out, what I did to the sleeve is I just did one stitch with the elastic thread, so it became a bit smaller. Yeah. Yep. So I'm just going to seal up that seam that I had opened. This one, you remember it? Yes. So we are just going to sew down. So that is basically how the dress looks like. So let's try it on.